Welcome everybody. In today's class we will learn three different ways how to generate the random dates. Now if you are an Excel teacher, it becomes necessary to have data, and getting data is not an easy job because real data are expensive. So what we do is we simulate the data. Now for that, at certain points, specifically for teachers who are handling students' date of birth or office secretaries who are dealing with employees' date of birth, we need a date for their date of birth. So for that we would have to utilize RANDBETWEEN to generate that. So what I'm going to show you is the three different ways by which date can be generated. So the first way is just enter RANDBETWEEN and put the date. Say for example, I want to deal with students who are born between 2000, 1st January, right? So the month comes next and the date 1st of January comes after that, and you place a comma, and then you want to target people who are having their date of birth to 2003. Just an illustration, right? Either you can have 2003 or say 2006, and this would be December, right? December month is featuring at 12 and the date is, or I would say the day is 31st. So this is the first way. So what you need to do is take the RANDBETWEEN function and encompass what you want, the start date and the ending date. Now this would give you a number. Excel deals with all of these entries and number format. Now what we need to do is we need to convert this into a date. So for that you go and select short date. Don't select long date, short date, because this would help us in having calculations. So now that I have got a date, I can just pull it down, and then I have a list of dates. Now suppose you are dealing with students, say for example Tom, and you are interested in finding out their age. So you can simply go here and use the datadiff function, and then you click on this date and place the now, and then you have to, you're planning to get the age, so you need to put y within quotes. So this would give you the age. So you can see the age is displayed, and you can just pull it down and you can utilize this information in your data analysis. So this is the first way to display the date. So this is the second way. Say for example you got name and DOB and age. So what you are going to do here is, so you start with date and then you enter RANDBETWEEN and just put in the year. The starting year in this case is going to be 2000 and 2006. People born between 2000 and 2006. Is it okay? Or 2000 and 2003. So the year comes first, and then again you enter RANDBETWEEN, and then now the month comes first. There are 12 months, so 1 comma 12, and place a comma, RANDBETWEEN, and the day comes next. So 1 to 31 days are there. It depends on what you want. Say you want it from 1 to 31 or 1 to 30 or 1 to 28. It's up to you, and place that final parenthesis. So this will also give you date. So just pull it down and you will get a sequence of dates which can be used further. So having given you the second way, let me also give you the third way. The third way is unique. Now why is it unique? You start with RANDBETWEEN and then you enter the date value function and you enter the date as a text. So this is going to be 1st Jan 2000. So this is entered in text format, and you place a comma, then you call the date value function again, and then you enter the text 31st of December 2003. Okay, so this is the third way. And what you need to do is you need to just simply give an enter. You get, as I mentioned to you, Excel treats everything in number format. So click on this and you can either select long date or short date. As I mentioned to you, I will be selecting short date, and then you can simply pull this down. So you will have a sequence of dates. So that is the end of this particular video. Thank you until we meet again.